average sold price for a single family house in Minot in 2026 is around $325,000. And I'm going to show you what this awesome 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, expansive backyard gets you for $269,000. Let's go check it out. Now, upon entering the home, you'll notice beautiful hardwood floors with room for television set up there, furniture, and this beautiful arch expanding into the kitchen and dining room area. So let's continue on past the arch. Here's the kitchen and dining room area, so perfect spot for a dining room table right there. You can see all the countertop space, awesome cabinetry, gas stove right here, brand new dishwasher. So all in all, a very cozy, charming kitchen and dining room area. Now, before we go downstairs, let's look at the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom on this main level. So here we are again in the living room. Here's the kitchen and dining room area. So right off the living room is the 1st bedroom on this main level. You can see nice, simple, easy bedroom closet right over here. So continuing on this way, we're gonna go right into the living room area again, right into the kitchen, and right around the corner here is the 2nd bedroom. So let's go check that out. Here we are, here's the 2nd bedroom. A little bit smaller than the last one, but all in all, like if you had a kid, perfect size for a child. And right around the corner here is the bathroom. So we have a full bathroom, shower head, toilet right there, bathtub, sink. So there's your 2 bedrooms and your full bathroom on this main level. Now let's go downstairs and check out the family room, bathroom, and a bedroom with some recent updates, including some new carpet and paint. So let's go downstairs. Okay, here we are in the family room area. You can see brand new carpet. It just gives a very bright feel down here. Enough space for maybe you're gonna play some video games down here and put up a a little TV stand, furniture. So this is a nice family room and it could be a very cool hangout spot. Now let's continue on past the family room and look at the final bedroom and bathroom in this house. All right, here we are in the 3rd and final bedroom. You can see brand new carpets and fresh paint, egress window right there. And we have a very large closet in this bedroom. And also we have a full bathroom. So we have a toilet, sink, shower head, and tub. So this bathroom is pretty cool because you get pretty much a connected bathroom, very nice closet, and some recent updates. Here we are in this fenced in, expansive backyard. You can see awesome patio, perfect for a patio set like that's already here. And this yard continues on a little bit past that shed, so you get a huge area for a garden, a nice shed, big, huge fenced-in yard. And for living in city limits in Minot, this yard is pretty awesome. Now, after checking out everything this home has to offer, it's move-in ready, it's recent updates, huge yard. If you're looking for an affordable move-in ready home, this house might be for you. If you want more information about the house and the property, check the comments below for a link for more information. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.